Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Rafia Mudassir from the platform of Nurul Huda Foundation for Education and Entrepreneurship, and I am here with the topic Leader in Me. We have been doing this since the last few days, and today's guest is Ms. Shiri Khan. Shiri is a very versatile person, and as I have posted her poster, she's a life coach, she is an educational psychologist, she is a trainer, and much more. So I'll just wait for her to join and wait for her to introduce herself, because she'll be able to tell you that she's a leadership guru and she has been training on the leadership platforms, and that is why I requested her, and I'm grateful to her that she actually accepted the invitation, and she will be joining us in this session and sharing her insight and her knowledge. So waiting for Shiri Khan to join me, and we are talking about leadership. अब लीडरशिप जो है वो सब लोगों के लिए डिफरेंट मायने रखती है. Some people think that if they have a title they have become a leader. Some people actually try to polish their skills and bring it out in them. मैं ये समझती हूँ, और इतने साल की ट्रेनिंग और स्टूडेंट्स के साथ मैंने जितना भी काम किया है, आई फील देयर इज़ अ लीडर इन ऑल ऑफ अस. हम सब के अंदर एक लीडर मौजूद है, और वो लीडर जो है डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस में निकल के बाहर आता है. समटाइम्स इट इज़ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ थ्रस्ट अपॉन अस, या हम उस सिचुएशन में होते हैं जो लीडरशिप डिमांड करती है. समटाइम्स दूसरे लोग लीडर बना देते हैं, तो आप मजबूरन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले लेते हैं. And then you learn that I have this strength in me, or I can do this, I have this skill or this confidence. And sometimes it is actually a conflicting situation or a difficult situation in which we take up leadership responsibility, क्योंकि कोई और जो है वो responsibility नहीं ले रहा होता, आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा होता. तो उस situation में, जो एक बहुत difficult किस्म की situation है, कुछ लोग उस situation में leader बन जाते हैं. लेकिन in researches also, and whatever work I have done, I have realized that all of us have this leadership potential in us, and that leadership potential actually shines out where it is required. So ज़रूरी नहीं है कि leader वही हो जो आगे हो, या जो bold हो, जो बोल सकता हो. There are leaders in very many different situations, and let's see what Ms. Shiri Khan has to say to us. As I announced, Ms. Shiri is a leadership trainer. She is a life consultant, academic trainer. She's a mentor. She's a path paver. She's a blogger. She's an author. She's a poetess. She is an editor. So a versatile person, a person who has actually bring out the best in her. So I think she's a good example of a leader. That's why today I have requested her and invited her. So let me see, Ms. Shiri, if you have joined me, please send a message so that I can actually add you to the video. I'm just sending out an invite to her from the live video so that she can join me. So I'm waiting for Ms. Shiri Khan to join me so that we can formally begin the session. Looking forward to greeting her soon. So अभी तक जो सेशंस हुए हैं उससे रिलेटेड अगर आप लोगों के पास कोई भी सवाल हो तो यू कैन ऑल आस्क सो दैट वी मे आस्क हर. उनकी प्रोफाइल मैंने मेंशन कर दी थी ताकि आपको पता रहे कि आप उनसे जो भी सवाल उससे रिलेटेड पूछना चाहें तो यू कुड एक्चुअली आस्क हर. So I'm just sharing the live video with her so that she can join us. जी. So yesterday we had an interesting session with Salman Mehdi, और आप लोगों ने भी काफ़ी questions भी किए और उसको appreciate भी किया. And Salman was also a very young leader, and you must have heard him how he became a leader and how he has polished his abilities. So today we'll be learning from Ms. Shiri Khan about her learning and how she has developed into a leader that she is today. And I yesterday also shared the book Leader in Me, and I told you that we should all have a copy of this book. Yes, Shiri is here. Ji, Ms. Shiri, I'm just taking you on board. Please accept the invitation. I've just added. Assalamualaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम, कैसी हैं?
I'm fine. आप कैसी हैं?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
So let's start with your introduction. मैं तो आपका introduction पढ़ रही थी इतना सारा था कि मुझे उसको याद करने में मसला हो. So आप खुद अपने बारे में बताइए. Where did you start actually, and उसके बाद इतनी सारी चीजें आपने की हैं. So how did you go about it? आपका कैमरा फ्रीज हो गया है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिसबा. Thank you for joining. आप फ्रीज हो गई हैं. यस प्लीज, आई एम टेकिंग यू बैक ऑन. दोबारा मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ आपको. जी, Miss Shiri is being added. I hope she gets added back soon. So मैं Miss Shiri से request कर रही थी कि वो अपने आप को introduce करें और tell us about her journey. So let's wait to hear from her. Thank you all for joining. जिन्होंने join किया है, मिसबा है मेरे साथ and the rest I can't see. कि और कौन कौन है. Yes, she is getting added. नहीं, Miss Shiri आपके decline हो रहा है ये. The request is getting declined. Please accept it. I am actually sharing out this video so that ज़्यादा लोग हमें join कर सकें और इसको देख सकें. So I am sharing the video. जी आप ऐड हो रही हैं Miss Shiri. I am trying to add you again. आपका कैमरा शो हो रहा था, वरना आप खुद रिक्वेस्ट भेज दें. आप देखिएगा आपके मोबाइल पे एक आ रहा होगा डबल फेसेस का ऑप्शन. सो यू कैन सेंड अ रिक्वेस्ट योर सेल्फ टू. अगर आप ना ज्वाइन कर सकें मेरे इनवाइट पर तो आप खुद भी रिक्वेस्ट भेज सकती हैं. अस्सलाम वालेकुम हबीब साहब, कैसे हैं आप? आपसे बहुत दिनों से जो है मुलाकात नहीं हुई ना. आपके सेशन का पता चल रहा है मुझे अभी. तो पता नहीं आप लोग कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे, बिकॉज यूजुअली तो सफदर इनवाइट भेजता है, बट आई डिड नॉट रिसीव एनी इनवाइट. अस्सलाम वालेकुम साबरा, कैसी हैं? मिस शीरी, अब आप खुद प्लीज़ रिक्वेस्ट भेज दीजिए, बिकॉज मेरे पास ऐड शो होता है फिर डिक्लाइन हो रहा है ये. या अपना फोन आप. यस, नाउ यू आर कनेक्टिंग. चलें, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आप आई हैड आस्क्ड यू कि आप खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस कर लें. थैंक यू हबीब साहब.
Okay. Where do I start?
आपने शुरू कर.
I am. अच्छा. Basically, I am a stay-home mom. And that is where I started with. Yes, and it was never intended to become a professional person.
This is what I am doing.
It was never intended.
Okay.
Or I had just started as a social volunteer, helping out people and teaching kids how to get educated at home only. And I would just ask the domestic helper to send her kids over, and I would just sit down and with them and try to teach them in easier methods. That's where I started from.
Okay.
And then I realized that while I was doing that and teaching my kids also, I realized that there was a huge gap between the traditional teaching I was used to and the advancements and innovation that the education system had started using. So my daughter did not clear an admission test, which is where it got me started thinking. I went and asked them, showed them the flashcards. I asked them for guidance, and immediately they offered me for a job. But since my kids were very young, so I decided to be with them at that time. घर से भी इजाज़त नहीं मिली थी. At home also I was not encouraged at all, and I take it as a blessing because it helped me to work on the educational innovations that I was working on. And as my kids grew, I found certain gaps in the way things were being taught. Like, they were incredible innovations, but there was a gap in the teaching of the two languages our kids learn, which is English and Urdu. So that is where it started off, and I experienced a lot of stress in that, and that's how I started taking interest in stress management. So in that way, I started helping others like me, and soon after it, my kids' principal and their teachers, and that was my first experience as a workshop. No prior experience and no training at all.
Okay.
So that was my beginning.
And from there on, you became all this. Blogger bhi ban gayi aap, trainer bhi ban gayi aap, life coach bhi ban gayi, or you got some training in between?
It so happened that after a couple of years, when I was around 27 years old at that time, I had a nervous breakdown. So I was physically challenged, emotionally challenged, mentally challenged. A lot of it was going on. But as I went through therapy and started learning a few self-development courses, what I realized was the main issue, up to 80%, was stress.
Okay.
And after that, the main issue was communication skills, lack of communication skills. So even though I was a very strong believer in Dale Carnegie's
Yes.
things, and in certain areas, those things didn't work. So with the few trainings that I took along the way, those were the things that helped me realize. So then onwards, I actually launched my Goodwill Network, and where I link people to solutions and solution providers. So it's not that always I have all the solutions, but along the way, the solution providers that I found, I link people to them as well.
Okay. So when did you discover
that's
the
how
leadership?
it works.
So that's about the
Yes.
leadership or qualities in you. So it was a time when you were a mom that you discovered that, and for your
Yes.
children's own learning and the obstacles that you face, that you realize that you are a leader too, and you could actually find a solution to that. So
Actually, I didn't realize that. I didn't realize, excuse me, sorry. I didn't realize that I was the leader. I thought that, like all of us usually, the women folk usually have this mindset that it's the men folk or the main provider of the house who is the leader. But I did this women empowerment course. It's by someone who has been trained by Tony Robbins himself. And he did a women empowerment course, and through that I realized he made us realize that we are leaders too. We may be non-active, but we are leaders. So if we are not taking that leadership role and not owning it, then we are just leading our family towards disasters. So we need to awaken this leader within ourselves, and that is how that leader in me
This is the concept that I'm
started.
presenting, that over the years,
Yes.
and again, I am a born leader. I know from the very beginning, like from school life, I knew I have this leadership in me. But again, I come from a very conservative family, whereby women leaders are not encouraged. But my father encouraged all of us sisters. So from there, also, and also from the leadership training that I received, I realized that each one of us can be leaders or are leaders, and we have something within us, and it has to be brought out. And I use this actually with my students. तो वो हर कोई कहते थे ना कि ये बच्चा तो लीडर नहीं बन सकता, ये बच्चा तो कैप्टन नहीं बन सकता, ये बच्चा तो ये नहीं कर सकता. So I always said that human capacity is beyond comprehension. अल्लाह ताला ने इतनी abilities दी हैं, इतना strength हम सबको दिया है कि those abilities sometimes come out in very disastrous, conflicting situations also. मैंने जैसे शुरू में जब ये स्टार्ट करी थी, this is what I was saying. Some of us are born leaders. हमें पता होता है कि हमारे अंदर leadership है. कुछ लोगों को push करना पड़ता है, और कुछ लोग उस वक्त लीडर बनते हैं जब कोई और आगे नहीं बढ़ता. सो इन अ conflicting situation they take the lead and save everyone, या save the situation. So what do you say about it? Am I right that all of us have some a leader within us, and it can be
Absolutely.
It can be polished and brought out.
Absolutely true.
But
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. वो कहते हैं ना कि ब्यूटी लाइज इन द आईज ऑफ द बिहोल्डर. वो जौहरी ही पहचान सकता है. तो आई वाज अ पर्सन हु वाज एन एब्सोल्यूट रिजर्व्ड चाइल्ड इन बैक सीटर, या बैक सीट में भी नहीं हो तब भी मतलब आई वाज नेवर इनटू एक्टिविटीज. समटाइम्स द टीचर्स वुड कॉल मी in junior guides or to present the program to the guest speaker or something, but there was no leadership role in any of those things. It was when I worked on myself and developed myself through books, through certain trainings, that is when the real leader in me awakened or did actually work. Otherwise I was never brought up with that idea. Leadership to koi, that was not me. Being a leader was not me at all. I was not brought up with that viewpoint at all.
Yes.
It was like, doesn't know how to talk, she doesn't know how to
भी शीरिया, I think लड़कियों के लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है, क्योंकि हर फैमिली में जो है वो this is the norm. बहुत कम ऐसी educated even the educated mothers, उनको ये होता है कि बेटों को प्रेफरेंस दी जा रही होती है, बेटों को जो है वो बढ़ाया जाता है आगे, और बेटियों को यही कहा जाता है कि ना नहीं भाई करेगा, या ये आपका काम नहीं है, या ये आप ही नहीं कर सकती, या और दे आर टोल्ड कि यू कांट बी लाउड और यू कैन नॉट वॉइस योर ओपिनियन बिकॉज इसको रूट समझा जाता है. और इस तरह से हम बच्चियों को जो है वैसे ही धमका के और वो दबा के रखते हैं. So in today's world, I feel that girls have to be confident. They should be able to say out, or and it should be grounded in both religious education and worldly education, कि उनको अपने हुकूक और फराइज भी मालूम हो, और उसके अलावा ये है कि उनके अंदर इतना कॉन्फिडेंस हो कि वो अपनी बात आगे रख सके, लोगों को दबे नहीं. So yes, for girls it is always very difficult. I think जो लड़कियां सामने आती हैं या leadership roles में आती हैं, or they leave a mark in whatever profession they are, it is the support they are getting from somewhere, either a teacher, either a parent, या family में से कोई. So leadership itself क्या है? How would you define, Shiri, from your own learning and experience? How do you define leadership?
Okay. I feel leadership is the ability to see more and beyond what is visible.
Yes.
And the ability to make it better than what it is.
Yes.
And then starting from within. It's from inside out.
Inside, yes. If you have a vision, if
Definitely.
you are positive, then only you can inspire others. So a leader is supposed to be inspiring other people to move towards a shared goal, or work towards a shared goal.
Before that, I would say it is the ability to lead one's own self. Because if I can't lead my own self, if I can't manage my thoughts, if I can't manage my own emotions, how can I influence others?
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही कह रही हैं।
Even if I have those uh, very impactful words, the energy will be absent. And
Yes.
energy does not lie. Anybody can pick up whether the person is coming from just theoretical knowledge or from experiential knowledge. So that is what leadership is. Leadership uh, teaches us to work on things from within, and we know the obstacles that come in, the hurdles we face, the mental, emotional. I call it the holistic view. I use the word
Yes.
letter W, and I say it's the
Yes.
holistic
Yes.
because these are the all the areas we need to work on simultaneously. Just like our brain, our circulatory system, digestive system, every system works together to have a healthy body or for the body to function in the same way. That is what leadership is, to work on each and every area.
यस, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और यही पॉइंट है, जब तक आप अपने आप को खुद नहीं समझते और अपनी सलाहियतों को खुद नहीं पहचानते, यू कांट पॉलिश देम, और यू इफ यू डोंट नो योर वीकनेसेस, यू कांट वर्क ऑन देम। So you're very right कि leadership is all about first of all knowing yourself and then actually manifesting that in your work or with others. Okay, so एक अच्छे लीडर की क्या क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए? मतलब ये कि some people say they should have charisma, some say कि जी वो जो है क्या कहते हैं अच्छा बोलना आता हो, but then we have seen very many different types of leaders. If you look at Qaid Azam, he was a different and a leader with a charisma, I would say. आप अब्दुल सत्तार एजी साहब को देखें तो वो एक डिफरेंट तरीके के लीडर थे, ठीक है। तो इसी तरह से अगर हम एक लीडर को देखते हैं, सो वी सी वेरी मेनी डिफरेंट क्वालिटीज। So every leader is different in their approach and the way they exhibit their leadership. So what are the qualities that should be there to be called a leader? जो या तो लोगों को टाइटल मिलता है कि वो सीईओ बन गए या वो प्रिंसिपल बन गए या वो मैनेजर बन गए, तो वो समझ लगते हैं कि जी आई एम द बॉस नाउ एंड आई हैव एंड एवरीवन शुड लिसन टू मी।
देखिए, if they have charisma and compassion, integrity, these are the things that work. But we have
आपका डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है श्री बीच में।
Are we back again?
Okay.
Okay. मैं ये कह रही कि there are different qualities that a leader has. Yes.
Okay.
जी बोलिए।
Leaders in different situations would have different qualities, or there are some that should be common, जो होनी चाहिए हर हालत में।
होनी चाहिए। एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट अ हैव टू पर्सन एंड शुड पर्सन, तो मुझे ये सवाल जरा सोचना पड़ेगा कि इसको मैं कैसे जवाब दूं। इट्स लाइक अबाउट मस्ट, व्हाट मस्ट अ लीडर हैव? Okay, so a leader must have integrity,
definitely,
and experiential knowledge must be there. It's very easy to come up with very emotional debate or an emotional words, but that doesn't appeal to me, because that needs to have genuineness and the impact of what those words are. Even each word is very important, how it will impact and the long term effects that it will have. It's very easy to I'm not a political person, so I have no political affiliation with anyone. But the thing is that I observe different leaders, and I've seen some very good leaders making some very obvious, I wouldn't say mistakes, but certain actions that are either halfway of what their vision is. They'll have that amazing vision, but it will be just halfway because they won't be practicing it. Or whatever they say is just filled with so much emotionality of that particular time, maybe they were too hyped up or anything, so they just lose their impact.
हाँ,
I feel lost with them.
रियलिस्टिक नहीं होता, आपका माइंड एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा होता कि ये कैसे होगा जो वो कह रहे हैं, और अपने इमोशनल्स पे वो आके कह जाते हैं. Yes, you're right.
That's like a very situational leadership.
Yes. So a leader has to be seen as a leader actually. One point that you said is integrity. दूसरा I think communication आपकी इतनी strong होनी चाहिए that you have good rapport, you are able to understand people, you are able to take them on board, convince them. इसी तरह लोगों की पहचान ऐसी होनी चाहिए. Delegation is important responsibility of a leader when you are delegating tasks, so you know who is best job. And उसके अलावा I think ये करिश्मा वाली बात है, और कुछ ऐसी और चीजें हैं जो किसी में हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, because then you have a good following. But ये वाली चीजें, communication skills, compassion, integrity जो आपने कहा, उसके अलावा a person with a vision, a person who thinks through things, is logical and is not just making emotional speeches, is also very important. कि उन्हें पता हो जिस काम के लिए वो लीड कर रहे हैं उस काम का उन्हें पता हो, उसकी in depth knowledge हो. नहीं है तो then they have a team that actually looks into it and works on it. And the other thing is fairness. I think fairness and justice is very, very important, that a leader is fair with people, so he or she is respected in that situation.
True.
सही. अच्छा, फिर आपने खुद अपनी लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज कैसे डेवलप की हैं? आपने कहा कुछ कोर्सेज किए. Did you have any mentors? Because I feel कि when you are becoming a leader or you are polishing or your own self, you do need certain role models or examples or mentors, I would say, who actually guide you in the right direction or who bring the best out in you. So have you worked with any people from whom you have learned?
कुछ informal थे, some were informal because one of them was a friend. She was also a course mate. One of them was an auntie who lived in my neighborhood. But formal mentors came very much later on. It's like around after 20 years. So today I'm 48 years old, and I had the opportunity of working in an institution, like I was working somewhere. And there I met someone and I contacted that person of, would you mentor me? And these are the areas that I work and this is what I do. And I'm so grateful to Kamran Rizvi that he sent me links to his books and he said, read these books. And I did read his books. And then I contacted him and he asked me, cross-questioned me. And he used to give me time, and it was amazing. He was an amazing mentor. Then there were other people also here and there, but he is one person I'm really, really grateful for. And then onwards, in whatever area I needed guidance, I would talk to the related person and ask if they would guide me in that way. So I'm very grateful to Faizan Laghari also. He helped me in guiding me through how to set up my business and how to work on it. He also designed my card. And this is what he designed. This is my favorite sign. I use it as a signature, yin yang sign. And then he designed this card for me. So I'm grateful to him as well. So along the way, I kept asking. So the most important part of leadership is that when the vision is clear, we ask ourselves the right questions. Because if we are not getting the answer, most probably 99% of the times, it's that we are not asking the right question or we are not asking the right person. So that is very important, that we know what
you will have to log out. so that I can take you on board and come back to the video again. Okay, so that was about Shiri. Shiri is sharing her own experience of to be an effective leader. It is very, very important that you have mentors and you are asking the right questions. This is what she was saying, and she is very, very right, that unless we are asking the right questions from ourselves, that what is it that I want to do, what is it that I'm good at, what is my passion, how do I bring it out, what help do I need, can I do it on my own. So when you ask these questions, you really know what sort of a help you need. तो वो लोग जो अपने आप को पॉलिश करना चाहते हैं, उनको अपने आप को बहुत अच्छे से इवैल्यूएट करने की ज़रूरत होती है कि खुद को देखें, अपने बारे में सवालात खुद से उठाएं कि मुझे मेरे स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, मेरी वीकनेस क्या है, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए कि जो चीज़ मेरी स्ट्रेंथ है उसको मैं मज़ीद पॉलिश करूं, और वो चीज़ें जिसमें मुझे सपोर्ट चाहिए तो वो कौन है मेरे इर्द गिर्द जो मुझे सपोर्ट कर सकता है, मुझे गाइड कर सकता है, मुझे मेंटोर कर सकता है. So getting the right help and asking the right questions from yourself is very, very imperative to be able to bring about a change in yourself. So the leader comes from within. You have to find that leader in yourself कि मैं किस चीज़ में अच्छी हूँ या अच्छा हूँ और मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए. Then only you are able to find your passion. And when you are actually वर्किंग ऑन योर पैशन, देन यू आर एबल टू लीड, बिकॉज उसमें आप पूरे दिलो जान से जो है काम कर रहे होते हैं, दिलो जान से सीख रहे होते हैं. सो यू विल ऑलवेज बी सक्सेसफुल इन समथिंग विच इज़ योर पैशन. सो शीरी ज्वाइन कर रही हैं दोबारा, सो वी विल कंटिन्यू द टॉक विद हर. आई जो देख रहा है उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि काइंडली इसको प्लीज़ अपनी वॉल पे शेयर कर लें ताकि और लोग जो बेनिफिट करना चाहें इससे बेनिफिट कर सकें, एंड दे आर एबल टू शेयर इट विद अदर्स ऑल्सो. I am, and I want to announce that I am. Shiri, आप प्लीज़ वापस ज्वाइन कीजिए, आपका कनेक्शन डिक्लाइन हो गया है. So I would request all the teachers, educationists, all people who are watching कि वो बच्चे जो आपको लगता है they are leaders, please I would like you to recommend them to me so that उनको भी मैं on camera लाऊं and we speak to them, that what do they feel and what they want to do and how are they actually trying to achieve that. So I will just wait for Shiri for a few minutes. अगर वो ज्वाइन कर लेती हैं तो उन्होंने अपने बारे में शेयर किया. She actually shared about her own journey of becoming a leader, from a housewife she started this journey and then she was able to polish her skills. She asked the right sort of questions, she got the right mentors, people who the questions that she had she contacted or linked with people who had that knowledge, and she actually groomed herself through reading, through getting help from the mentors, and then practicing it in her own life and conducting these sessions. Okay, I'll just read comments and see. Walaikum salam Zainab, and who else do I have? मुनीरा अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आपने ज्वाइन किया, थैंक यू. नबील अस्सलाम वालेकुम, समरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम, एंड हु एल्स जी. सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर मिस शीरी. इफ़ शी जॉइंस मी तो मैं उनको ऑन बोर्ड ले लेती हूँ दोबारा, एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू द सेशन, और एल्स आई टिल शी जॉइंस आई जस्ट रीड आउट समथिंग फ्रॉम द बुक. Okay, leadership is all about The Leader in Me, the book that I showed you day before, says that हम लोग जो हैं वो लीडरशिप को देखते हैं कि भाई कोई भी लीड कर रहा है तो वो लीडर है. That is not the case. There are certain things involved in it. So the package is that you look at the competence of the person, and competence consists of academics, that is the background, educational background or experiential background the person has, the life skills, उसके कैसे skills हैं, और I will just talk about those skills also, and the character of this person is also very, very important. So when we are looking at the academics, we are looking at reading skills. Leader is always a very good reader, reads a lot and has sufficient knowledge to be able to lead in that situation. Then it's writing. They should be able to write. So it's part of the communication. तो communication में दोनों आता है, speaking भी आता है, writing भी आता है. तो ये दोनों स्किल्स होने चाहिए विच आर पार्ट ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. देन उसको साइंस का कुछ पता होना चाहिए, उसे अरिथमेटिक आनी चाहिए, हिस्ट्री, गवर्नमेंट, आर्ट, मतलब ये कि देर आर जिस फील्ड से वो बंदा है उस बंदे को उससे रिलेटेड फील्ड्स का भी नॉलेज होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I am a trainer, I am a master trainer and I train at various sessions. So whenever I lead sessions, I am ready for unexpected questions. So मैं खुद भी बहुत चीज़ें read करती हूँ. So a question can be asked by, because this is how the trainees look at you when you are standing in front of the class, that you are a knowledgeable person who knows a lot. And if you don't know, you should be humble enough to say कि let's research it, let's look this up. ऐसे ही लाइफ स्किल्स उनके जो हैं जिसमें आते हैं एनालिटिकल स्किल्स, प्लानिंग, लिसनिंग, कम्युनिकेटिंग, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल्स दैट अ लीडर शुड हैव. बैलेंस, creativity, and you should be creative also. Goal setting and manners. Yes, you lead by example. So जब मैं प्रिंसिपल होती थी स्कूल की तो मैंने देखा वहाँ पे कि सब लोग लेट आ रहे हैं, 8 बजे के बाद सब एंटर होते थे और मैं जो है 7:20 से जाके बैठी हुई होती थी, बिकॉज उसके बाद गाड़ी को बच्चों को ड्रॉप करने जाना होता था. तो आई यूज टू बी इन स्कूल. सो 7:30 पे जो है जो पहला डोमेस्टिक स्टाफ है, डोमेस्टिक स्टाफ को रिपोर्ट होना होता है, एडमिन स्टाफ को रिपोर्ट होना होता है. सो कुछ दिन तो यही चलता रहा, सब लोग आते रहे, मुझे देखकर साइड से गुजरते रहे. बट व्हेन दे सॉ दैट आई एम इन द कैंपस एट 7:20 PM, तो एक एक करके सब लोगों ने अपना टाइम चेंज हुआ. कुछ लोग 7:45 पे आने लगे, फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता 7:30 हुआ, फिर कुछ लोग मुझसे पहले पहुंचने लगे. सो लीडर इज़ अ रोल मॉडल ऑल्सो. सो व्हेन यू सेट एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर पीपल दैट यू आर देयर, सो दे ऑटोमेटिकली फॉलो इन लाइन एंड दे फॉलो यू. फिर कैरेक्टर की बात जो शीरिन कर रही थी, उसकी है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, इंटेग्रिटी है, बीइंग काइंड टू पीपल. ये नहीं कि मैं लीडर हूँ तो जो मेरा डिसीजन है वही सही है. So you have to listen to people's problem and you have to be kind to them. Then initiative, you should be the one initiating change or something that you want to change. So you should be the person initiating that change in your environment. Then respect, you give respect so you get respect. So अगर आप दूसरों के साथ just because you're a leader you are disrespectful, so then you are not looked up as a leader. People don't respect you. इसी तरह फिर टीम वर्क है, ह्यूमर and discipline. Humor is something that I am trying to learn now because I am a very very serious person. So as a leader, being humorous is also important, क्योंकि अक्सर ऐसी tense situations आती हैं जहाँ humor आपको help करता है to reduce that tension and to let people settle and be at ease. जी शीरीन, thank you for joining back. So मैं अब ये book में से I was just reading about जो बात मतलब ये लीडर का जो एक पूरा कैरेक्टर है, सो वो क्या किस चीज़ पे बेस्ड है. इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन कॉम्पिटेंस, इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन लाइफ स्किल्स, इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन कैरेक्टर. सो ये 3 चीज़ें. तो कॉम्पिटेंस आती है आपके नॉलेज और एक्सपर्टीज से, स्किल्स आते हैं वो सारी चीज़ें जो आपने यूटिलाइज करनी है टू मैनिफेस्ट और टू रन द इंस्टीट्यूशन जिसके आप लीडर हैं या उस प्रोग्राम को रन करने के लिए. एंड कैरेक्टर और एक्चुअली helps you gain respect of people so that people follow you as a leader and they listen to you and they trust you कि हाँ ये बंदा जो है honest है, ये बंदा जो है हमारी care करता है, this person is kind, this person has compassion, so they actually trust you. जी, तो और श्री आप बच्चों के साथ काम किया? Have you worked with students of schools and colleges?
जी, बच्चों के साथ मैंने काम I taught in schools also. उसके बाद से मेरी टीचर्स के लिए बहुत बढ़ गई थी. Earlier I was one of those parents जो कि टीचर्स को बहुत तंग करते हैं. So I'm very apologetic and sorry to all the teachers that I have been a pain. But when I became a teacher, I was teaching kids of class 1 and 2 together in the same room. Then 3 and 4 together in the same room, and so each of them basically want somebody who is interested in them.
Yes.
genuinely
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही
interested in the well-being of the student more than the syllabus.
like in
It's
myself
trying to complete the syllabus and course is not something that interests the child as much as someone who genuinely guides them. So even when
yes.
I taught for very short terms, they loved me and they always wanted, Miss, please rejoin, because I could not. But it was amazing that having been there with them for a very short time, that was what was really amazing for me to have worked with them.
But students actually look up to they are looking for ideals. अब घर में अगर parents को वो ideal मानते हो तो वो parents से ज़्यादा attach होते हैं. But especially in teenage, they actually start looking at teachers. तो जो females बच्चियाँ होती हैं वो females को idolize करती हैं, जो बच्चे होते हैं वो males को कर रहे होते हैं. So that is why it is very very important that teachers are good role models for them. And then किसी ना एक के पास वो ज़रूर अपनी personal problems, वो चीज़ें जो उन्हें confuse कर रही होती हैं, they go. And it is that time I think that the teachers should be guiding the students in a proper manner and leading them. उनके अंदर जो कुछ है उसको बाहर निकालें, जो भी talent है, जो abilities हैं, बच्चों को उसमें involve करें, engage करें. How much do you think co-curricular activities actually help to develop these skills in students?
100%.
It's
Co-curricular
सिर्फ क्लास की टीचिंग से नहीं फर्क पड़ता, को-करिकुलर से जरूरी है कि बच्चों को उसमें एंगेज किया जाए so that उनके skills polish हो. Yes.
Yes. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ये absolutely.
Okay, तो शीरी आपका लास्ट क्या होगा to the people that who want to lead, मतलब उनके अंदर shyness है, lack of confidence है, हमारे एज के लोग भी, क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनसे मैं बात करती हूँ, जैसे नहीं आई डोंट वांट टू बी ऑन कैमरा. सो ऐसे आपको कुछ आता है तो सिखाने में क्या, जब आप क्लास में सिखा सकते हैं तो कैमरे पे तो और इजी होता है, इसलिए कि सामने आपको किसका नजर नहीं आ रहा होता कौन क्या रिएक्ट कर रहा है. सो आई थिंक इट्स इजियर टू बी ऑन कैमरा देन बीइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ होल क्लास. आई थिंक वो ज्यादा मैं तो उससे ज्यादा कॉन्शियस होती हूँ. सो आप उन लोगों को क्या कहेंगी, how can they bring out their skills and talents, and how would you motivate them? उनको आप क्या कहेंगी?
I would say come up with reasons strong enough than excuses. Don't look for reasons why you cannot. Look for reasons what you can, how you can do it, and why. That why needs to be so strong enough that it starts like pumping blood in your veins and you get so excited, because if it's not big enough or strong enough, it will not happen. It's as simple as this.
Let's do it. ये वाला
it's not just like momentary pumping that is important. It's maintaining that momentum that helps you to attain that goal.
अपने अंदर की मोटिवेशन जो है वो रहनी चाहिए, so that
that's why I said कि self leadership, it starts from self. If you can lead your own self, then you can lead others.
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है. और जब तक खुद का नहीं आपको मालूम हो तो आप दूसरों के अंदर से भी नहीं निकाल. Unless you know yourself, you cannot take it out in others. Because आपको अपने skills नहीं पता तो आपको दूसरे के भी फिर नजर नहीं आते. So this is one lesson that I have learned as a teacher, that you have to look within first to be able to understand your students, and that's why I always was effective in bringing out the best as a trainer also, क्योंकि देखने से जब आप खुद को जानते होते हैं तो दूसरे में आप सब skills देख लेते हैं बहुत easily. So thank you so very much, Shiri. I hope you
thank you so
like being with me on this talk. और फिर अब ये यहाँ पे लोग comments करते हैं जैसे जैसे देखते जाते हैं. So whenever you find time, please answer them. और कोई अच्छी सी reading.
Yes, I would be mostly.
हाँ तो उसके links डाल दीजिएगा so that some people like reading rather than listening to talks. So if you could put some links for them to read, especially students, youth जो 13 साल से the teenagers from up to age 20. I would like कि उन बच्चों के लिए जरूर आप कुछ ना कुछ डालें so that they read.
I will. Thank you so much. All the best. Love it.